Hi, I'm Ian Pizzola. I'm a sophomore mechanical engineer here at Stevens Tech. One thing I'm very passionate about is movies. I love watching movies, reading about movies. One of my favorite genres is the 80s sci fi. One of my all time favorites is Blade Runner. And I'm a huge John Carpenter fan. One of my favorites of his is Big Trouble in Little China.
Hi, my name is Joshua Schmidt, and I am a second year undergraduate computer engineering major. And one fun fact about me is that I'm passionate about music. I play trumpet in a jazz band, and I've been doing so for 10 years.
Hello, my name is Vincent Lee. I'm a third year undergraduate studying computer science. Something that I'm passionate about is traveling. I've been all over the East Coast and parts of Europe and Asia, and I'm looking forward to coming to Houston for the very first time to participate in NASA Suits and to meet everyone else.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Ankner. I'm a senior at Stevens Institute of Technology, and I'll be graduating in the spring with my electrical engineering degree. And my fun fact about myself is I'm a huge space nerd, as shown by the Saturn V Lego model behind me, which is coincidentally 1,969 pieces, which is the year we went to the moon. Hi, this is Ronnie Ankner from Stevens Institute of Technology, and this is our NASA Suits proposal, Clearing the Clutter. So what we want to do with this is mainly remove the minutia that astronauts have to face on a normal spacewalk. One of the first things we want to do is eliminate them having to memorize which handholds they have to grab and in which order. So we want to make the handhold clearly visible, as shown in this picture, and the HoloLens will highlight the next handhold to grab in green. We want to easily display the suit status and task manager. So this is what the astronaut would see on a normal spacewalk, but when he toggles the main panel with an external actuator that we're also building, he'll get this panel, and you can toggle between suit status or taskless. And when he or she chooses suit status, this pops up, and everything is chosen in intuitive colors, and it displays the suit telemetry. So green indicating good pressure or good oxygen levels, red indicating something negative like bad pressure or bad battery levels. Um, and then returning back to the main panel, you can also select the task manager, and that will show you the main task. So the main task here is remove the MMOD shield, and then subtasks of that would be unlatch the latch and remove supporting bolts, and anything else that the astronaut might need a little extra help on if he or she can't quite remember it. Um, the next thing we want to do is record and display the inertial measurements of the astronaut to make sure that they're not accelerating too much in one direction, and to help them kind of stay oriented along the outside of the spacecraft. For odd tools or objects, we'd also like to visualize them in the task manager, and that'll be used with a CAD file, um, and it'll show which one they have to use if they're not familiar with it. And lastly, we have the way back home, which in case of an emergency, this tracks where the astronaut is relative to uh, the access point to get back inside the spacecraft. And in times of emergency, the red arrow will pop up showing where to go back.